In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Excel formatted files here in the Google Sheets app for the Android. Well, this is actually only possible with the Android. If you were to open your Sheets app on the iPhone, you won't be able to have this option available. So let's go back. We have my Sheets app open on my Android. And if I want to start a new spreadsheet, all I have to do would be to tap at the bottom right corner with this plus sign right here. If I tap on that, I have two options. That will be to start with a template or just start with a new spreadsheet. Now, there's actually an additional option that we can have if we were to start a spreadsheet that's already in Excel format. Now, we can add that by just going to our main menu right here at the top left corner. If we tap on this, then go to our settings right after our activity and before our help and feedback. Here we have our settings. And under document creation, we have create Excel files. So this will show us an option to create an Excel file alongside those two options if we were to tap on that plus sign again. So let's just turn this on. There you have it. It's now turned on. If we go back, there we go, and tap on the plus sign at the bottom right again. Now we have three options. We have choose template, new Excel file, and new Sheets file. So again, this would mean that our spreadsheet would be automatically in Excel format. We don't need to convert it anymore because again, it's already in the Excel format. If we tap on that, there we go. It looks quite the same. But if we go to the ellipsis at the top right corner, you will see that our spreadsheet is in xlsx format already. And there you have it. That's how we can create Excel formatted files here in Google Sheets app using our Android. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.